Our words have spiritual authority. Basically, whatever words we say, we summon those kinds of spirits. Ephesians 4:29-30. Do not let any unwholesome talk come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others up according to their needs, that it may benefit those who listen. And do not grieve the Holy Spirit of God, with whom you were sealed for the day of redemption. A lot of times people think unwholesome talk is just dirty words or swearing. But unwholesome talk also includes condemning people, talk behind their backs, criticizing people, any kind of ungodly talk that grieves the Holy Spirit. It's very damaging to say things that are not helpful to others as well as ourselves. Because when we are speaking, we're also listening to ourselves. So it's best to say helpful things so we can benefit too. And if we say something bad about ourselves to get sympathy or to please other people, things like, I never get a break, or no matter what I do, I can't lose weight, then those kinds of spirits will get legal access to come and cause us to not get a break, can't lose weight, and stuff like that. Our words basically build our future. Furthermore, if we say to our children or spouse, you're so rebellious, or why are you so useless, or you don't care about me, then we just gave the devil the legal ground to make these things happen, like a curse. If our children or spouse are rebellious, useless, and don't care about us, wouldn't that be terrible for us? So don't say anything you don't want. Instead, say things that you want. Oh, by the way, if anybody curses you and say bad things to you, you can nullify their bad words by forgiving them, blessing them, and praying for them. Ephesians 6:12. For we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against the rulers of the darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. A lot of people don't take words seriously. They just say whatever they want. But spoken words don't just disappear. We either reap their fruits or pay consequences for them. When we speak words that pleases God and declare God's promises and words in the Bible, we allow God's promises to come to fruition. It is crucial that we declare God's words. For example, when we feel something is wrong with our body, by declaring Isaiah 53 verse 5, with the Lord's stripes, I am healed. Then the healing God promised us will come to fulfillment. And when we feel insufficient or overwhelmed by tasks that we're doing, we proclaim, with God, I can do all things. Then we are allowing God's provision to come and empower us to accomplish the tasks that's put before us. By the way, God's words are like medicine and food. We have to take it until we are healed, until things are fulfilled. We can't just proclaim it once or twice and say that it doesn't work and give up. Another thing that will cause disaster is when we speak ill of others behind their backs or gossip, which is guaranteed to cause a lot of harm. For sure, attract lots of demons and evil spirits to come mess with us and ruin our lives. In Luke 6:37, do not judge and you will not be judged. Do not condemn and you will not be condemned. Forgive and you will be forgiven. Let's remember 1 Peter 3:10. Whoever would love life and see good days must keep their tongue from evil and their lips from deceitful speech. In Proverbs 18:21, the tongue has the power of life and death, and those who love it will eat its fruit.